How to fix Samsung internet connection on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Samsung internet connection on Android phone. First open settings and then click apps, and now apps again, and here type Samsung, and here we'll find Samsung internet. Click on it and then click force stop and then storage. Now clear cache and then go to data usage and make sure all of those are enabled, and that's it. Then restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to Play Store and update your Samsung internet browser, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.